So I'm going to bring over my packet broker. We're going to come up here to device status. So we've got an X2 3200G set up in the back room. We've got it fired up. Pretty easy to connect in initially. Hooked a serial cable to it, gave it an IP address, set up a user ID and password, logged in, and now I've got this web interface. So I'm not going through a separate management console for this. I can web right into my packet broker. Gives me some info about how much traffic, my global traffic that I'm seeing out here, temperatures, how's that thing operating, how are all those fans running. Got a small office here. It's got a lot of fans, so it's keeping the office nice and warm. If we come into port management, this is where I can come in here and I can start taking a look at what's going on with my ports. So it's showing me what ports are active. So right now, I have 3 ports connected. And as I mentioned, we can take these 40/100 gig QSFP ports and break these out into 10 gig ports. So I have this one broken out into 4 10 gig ports by plugging a fan out cable, an MPO to LC fan out cable in there. And I've got this connected up to a booster, and I've got it connected up to an IOTA and to another analyzer. So what we can do is we can start coming in, taking a look at what's coming through there as far as that traffic goes. Now, if I come down here to statistics, what this does is it shows me, I can turn which ports I'm interested in off or on. So I'm interested in ports 1, 2, and 1, 1. So what we find is that on our received, we're receiving about 10 megabits per second on port 1, 2. And that is my booster connected to that. And that booster is in line between my internet connection and the connection running out here to my video studio. So it's really capturing some of that traffic twice. It's capturing on the inside of my firewall, and it's capturing it on the outside of my firewall. Now, if we move down a little bit, port 1, 1 right here is where my IOTA is connected. And the IOTA, we see nothing. We see that we've had some good frames. In fact, I'm going to reset all the statistics here, but we're not getting anything out of there right now. Why? Because we haven't created a rule yet. We've got traffic coming in, but we haven't told the packet broker how we want to send that traffic out yet. That's where our traffic management comes in. That's where we can come in and we can say, you know what? I want to start creating rules. So I've got an example rule set out here. So this is where I can create my rule sets, and then I can activate those rule sets, and we're going to move those rule sets into place. We're going to start forwarding that traffic over.